Hyper dysfunctional. Wait, what the heck? That doesn't have any freaking views. This is a kid that doesn't mean mental breakdown. Wafflepwn? You mean he waffles up my camera? I need to keep my eye on you. We're gonna react to at least 2 of these freaking videos. No one requests this when I want to do something for myself. I deliver to myself.
Okay, my mom just canceled my brother's World of Warcraft account, and he is out.
Why is that funny? Talk about the feelings of others. I wouldn't want to be part of their family and walk my room and see this bull crap. I would took it from the average store down the stairs. No, freak down the stairs. Out the window. You need to put this on YouTube.
Oh my God.
No, we're here to stay. Calm down. Do you know how many times your mama spent to fix that baby? Here, you come back here and wreck it up. Seriously, who are you supposed to be like 17, 15? You need to get a grip, bro. We don't always get what we want. Okay, we always get what we want, but we have to manifest that crap. Seriously. Manifest it back. Instead of breaking your freaking covers. I know you want it back. Stop lying. Freaking man. And you walk in the closet at some part of this video? The heck is wrong with you? You need freaking help. Oh my God. I think Bellwether from Zootopia shot him when that special potion thing. He gone savage. Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde, if you're watching this, get out of there. What if he breaks through the portal? My God. Sit down. We won't. But think about it. Who else are we gonna record and annoy on a daily basis?
Never come back. I swear. You'll never see me again.
No, Bring your butt back. I ain't done with you. And why are you taking your clothes off? This has got super freaking awkward. Okay, this has got super awkward. And why are you so freaking mad? Oh, a freaking account? Are you making money off of that? No? What's that? No? Then it's too bad. You mean William would calm as heck from first. BTW, I'll leave her videos in the description. But seriously, she needs some freaking help. But you need more help. You run around everywhere screaming. Now you can go. Now I'm done for now. Psych, I ain't done with you. No, I ain't done with you yet. And why are you foiling around? Bellwether got away to the real world. There's no denying that point. There's no denying that. Okay, there's nothing to point him out on, but I don't have face cam because I've run a Chromebook and almost nothing's compatible. Apart from the headphones and the charger, that's it. The heck is no Get your butt back on. Get your butt back. I ain't done with you yet. Why you shoving a remote up your butt? Okay, this got so freaking awkward, and I want to hit that play button, but I need to point you out on something. Seriously, do you know how lucky you are? And you know how lucky you are? You have a Brian calendar. You have a TV. You have a state-of-the-art bed. You just wrecked. What the heck is your problem? That somehow seeing your parents do so much stuff for you, and you have a fit and break it all, so that'll help you and make you feel better about your sad, pathetic life. What the heck is going on? No, I want you to get off my screen, but I have another freaking minute. So I don't have a choice. Life hates you too. Thank you. Thank you. Round of applause, guys. Thank you. He finally told him to shut up. Do you know how much that helped the people watching this video? Give it up for his dad. Give it up. Alright guys, that's enough for today. So, thank you for watching. And if you're new to the channel, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you wouldn't miss a video. And that's pretty much it. Out.